What's the meaning of capacity? Capacity. Capacity.
Capacity. Capacity. Capacity refers to the maximum amount or volume that something can hold, produce, or contain. It is a measure of the capability or potential of an object, system, or entity. Capacity can be determined by various factors like physical size, efficiency, technology, resources, and demand. For example, the capacity of a storage tank would depend on its physical dimensions, material properties, and design specifications. It can also refer to a person's ability or mental power to handle a task or situation. Capacity is an essential concept in many fields like business, engineering, psychology, and medicine.